I'm going to find out if my real credit score is actually accurate. Ever wondered if your credit score is truly reflecting your creditworthiness? Many of us have been there, checking our scores online, feeling good about our financial health, only to find out later that it might not be entirely accurate. The truth is, not all credit scores are created equal, and today we're going to debunk some common myths. You might have seen those ads offering free credit scores, but have you ever stopped to think if they're really giving you the score that lenders use? Often, those free scores are educational scores, not FICO scores, which are the ones most lenders rely on. This can lead to confusion and inaccurate expectations. Think about it, if you're basing your financial decisions on a score that's not what lenders see, you're essentially flying blind. Educational scores are meant to give you a rough idea of your credit health, but they're not used for lending decisions. The difference between these scores can be significant. FICO scores, for instance, range from 300 to 850 and are calculated based on your payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, credit mix, and new credit. On the other hand, Vantage Score, another popular scoring model, ranges from 501 to 990. While both scores aim to evaluate your creditworthiness, they use different algorithms and weigh factors differently. FICO scores are generally considered the industry standard, and for good reason, they're used by most lenders. So, where can you find your actual FICO score? Often, your bank or credit card company will offer it for free. Alternatively, you can get it directly from myfico.com. It's worth noting that while some services might offer free FICO scores, others might charge for it. But trust me, it's worth the investment. Understanding your FICO score can make all the difference in making informed financial decisions. Let me give you an example. Imagine you've been eyeing your dream home, but you're not sure if you'll qualify for the mortgage. You've checked your educational score online, and it looks great, 750. But when you apply for the mortgage, you're denied. The reason? Your FICO score was actually 680, a full 70 points lower. This could have been avoided if you knew your actual FICO score beforehand. Relying on an inaccurate score can lead to some serious consequences. You might end up being denied for a loan or credit card, or worse, end up with a higher interest rate than you should have. This is why it's crucial to know your FICO score before making any major financial decisions. It's not just about knowing your score, it's about understanding what lenders see. The key takeaway here is simple: not all credit scores are created equal. Understanding which score lenders are using is crucial to making informed financial decisions. Your FICO score is the gold standard, and it's what you should be focusing on. So, what are you waiting for? Check your actual FICO score today and see if it's different from what you expected. Share in the comments if you were surprised by the difference. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more financial tips.